With challenges and passion, ELSCOM is creating a safer and better environment. Since its foundation in 2004, ELSCOM has developed and supplied explosion-proof products and heavy electrical equipment for oil and gas plants, shipbuilding, marine plants, petrochemical power plants, and general industries. ELSCOM pursues a core value of trust, innovation, value, and provides value to customers through a unique differentiation strategy. Through endless challenges, ELSCOM promises a safe and happy future. ELSCOM.